This is Anagalactic on Saturday, October 19th, 2024 from Chico. Today we're going to re-release a video that I produced in mid-July during the heat wave. This is Anagalactic. I hope you enjoyed this. E equals mc². These two terms are commutative. What is c²? Well, it's c times c. Well, you can write that out. E equals ccm. Now, you could do something quite interesting. E over c equals cm. So light speed is on both sides of the equation when it's written in this form, but it doesn't seem to be too useful. And now we have c over 1 times mass. And now we have an interesting relationship. Multiply energy by the reciprocal of the speed of light. So what is light speed? 1 unit of time, when it's defined as the second, is equal to this meters. c² is equal to 90 million billion meters per second. So this is going to be 300 times e to the 6th. And you can read that directly. That is 300 million meters per second. So it travels about 300,000 kilometers per second. That's on the order of the distance to the moon. This is a form of Albert Einstein's equation of equivalency between energy and mass. All we did was disassemble this into cc and then moved this c so that it's related to energy, leaving this c related to mass. The coefficient for energy is the reciprocal of the coefficient for mass, and the reciprocity is based on unity around light speed. C has a specific definition. It's distance over time. So now we need to reduce these two terms. We need the reciprocal of distance over time, over distance. Energy is related to mass on a reciprocal relationship. Mass is a spheric number. And we can say one more thing, which is the most important takeaway. Energy is orthogonal to space. Space is already linearized in 3D. That's the definition of 3D. It's the linearization of space. Linearized energy can be one of two things. Time, measured as frequency, that's a temporal term, not a spatial term, and wavelength. What does this mean? It means we found where time is. Where time is 1D and space is 3D. That is the correct linear solution. Space-time inserts time as a 1D dimension. So how was Einstein able to introduce it into a linear equation? Time is at a right angle to space. Therefore, time is one of the two derivative quantities of energy, because energy, we just proved, is a spheric quantity. Time is linear, and wavelength is linear. What nobody has realized is that form of linearity is incorrect. It can be done mathematically, but you'll miss the actual geometric relationship between frequency and wavelength. They're reciprocal. So energy is a spheric number for that reason. Thank you for your patience. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.